Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to make a super simple automatic disc looper in Minecraft that automatically loops your discs. All the items will be listed in the description below. First, place your dropper looking upwards, a hopper looking into the dropper, your jukebox on top of the hopper, a comparator coming out of the hopper into a block with a piece of redstone with an observer looking into the redstone like so. Another hopper going into the jukebox, your redstone lamp on top of the hopper, and a lever. It's as simple as that. Now just fill this dropper with music discs, like so. When the lever is flipped up, that means the music is going to loop, and then when the lever is flipped down, that means the loop is going to stop. Just put a music disc into the hopper or the jukebox, and it will begin playing automatically. Once the music ends, the hopper will take the music disc from the jukebox, triggering this comparator, which powers this redstone dust, which triggers this observer, powering this dropper, putting another music disc into this hopper, which will then put the disc into the jukebox, and it will be a constant loop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.